Hello, custom viewers. Welcome to Eyes Open FX. I'm Ezra. In this video, I'll be breaking down from our technical analysis and fundamental to try to understand where we have our next impulsive move in the market. In doing so, I suggest you stick to the video to the very end. So, looking at this GU here on daily time frame, we are seeing a bullish order flow to the upside from this previous low at this area. So since market is giving us a bullish order flow, this is telling us that we are expecting more buy move to the upside, and where we expect market to fill in. Now coming to monthly and weekly. Okay, let's use monthly first so you understand everything we talk about here. So we see market having this area to fill, and we see a clear imbalance at this area. We see a clear imbalance from this previous low to this little high right here. So since we have this imbalance right here, this is our main POI that market will be coming to fill before we see more bearish move. So this is telling us that GU is bullish on almost all time frame at the moment. We are having up to 3 candles that is bullish now on monthly time frame. So on weekly we are bullish, daily we are bullish. So this is what we call order flow. So we are having now a bullish order flow on GU. So this is telling us that we'll be looking for more buy move on GU into this range for a possible drop or more buy to the main SC candle, which is this particular candle. So this is the main deal of this pair. This is what I'm expecting market to do on this pair. So this is my not only weekly outlook, this is my monthly outlook. At least this can happen up to this. Before this happen, it can take up to let's say, if it's too small, 3 months or even 4 months. So it can take up to 8 months. It can even take up to a year for market to rally to this upside, because at this area, after this bullish movement, I'm expecting a little retracement on lower time frame for possible retracement into what a lower level for us to look for more buy to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting on lower time frame. So going to weekly time frame right here, you see how market was able to trade above this former high, which is this. So market has already rated this former high. So since market has already rated this former high, what I expect of market is at least to rate this high again, to rate these two highs and trade into this area for another retracement. So since market has already rated this high with a stop hunt, so we can actually see a possible retracement likely at this area on this GU within this coming week. So coming to daily time frame, this was our former outlook where we expect market to trade into this range. So market now failed to give us a retracement within this range. So since market failed to give us a retracement within this range, we're expecting more buy move to the upside. But before market what give us a retracement, a big retracement, I'm expecting to trade into this major high. Why am I expecting to trade into this major high? Because here we have market induce this high before a bearish movement with the idea of a stop hunt. So since market has already induced this high, this makes this high a strong high compared to these two. So this makes this high a strong high, and this is a weak rejection high. This is a weak rejection high. So since we have a weak rejection high right here, this was why market traded it without giving any retracement around this area. So since we're expecting now a bullish movement, we can actually see a little retracement here on lower time frame. After that, a buy to the upside for this major zone for possible major retracement to the downside before we expect another buy move to the upside. So this is my view on EU. On lower time frame, we saw some cool buy movement to the upside and in my community I had this zone that market used giving us this buy and all. So that is all for today's outlook. So let's look at the coach data of this previous week and see what market is doing, and I believe they'll be adding to their long position. Okay, so looking at the code data on Geo, so we see GPB, they are what the net position of the GPP index is that what they are reducing short position. So USD, they are reducing long position. All right, they are reducing long position. The overall, I got this prediction a little bit wrong. At least earlier before we started this, you will notice that I said they'll be what adding to their long position. But here we have it, they are reducing short position. All right. So since they are reducing short position, this actually shows they buy, or just what I said earlier. That means they'll be adding to their long position. It's not completely wrong. So here we have it. They are reducing short position. This is telling us that they are not that interested in selling the pair. So their main interest is that what they will likely be what adding buy position very soon. So that is that for this code data on GU. So that's all for today's outlook. Good luck, good trading.